you my 200 air filter, which is pretty gross. It's pretty grimy here. Gotta clean this up too. See if I can take this apart and clean it. Oh, look at that. Something, believe it or not, this bike, every single bolt I've taken off, knock on wood, has been easier to take apart than that stupid Big Red. Every one of the Big Red bolts have been a nightmare. Serious nightmare to take apart. And I was like amazed when the fender bolts just came off like nothing. I was like, huh, look at that, the fenders come off. Take this over here. Those come off. Not sure what the hell this is, but clearly I can vapor rust this. Clearly it needs some vapor rust. Little rubber gasket of some sort. Rubber or leather, I don't know. It feels like leather. This over here. Holy crud munch. Let's try this out again. Like this first, less garbage goes in my vapor rust tank.
It's probably frozen solid right now. So, I think so. Pretty gross. I'll have to wash the film. Not sure what's the rest thing. Things clean up pretty good actually. Yeah. It was pretty gross a minute ago.
This first. First thing done.
That's fine. Right over there. I'll cut off here. Over there for now.
Before I continue, let's see. So much dirt in here. There we go. Clean that up. It's in pretty decent shape, actually.
For a screen, it looked like it was rotted to shit. It actually looks pretty freaking good.
There's like barely any wire on this thing.
Yep.
Time to change this thing before I lose a finger or an eyeball or something. Yeah, they get pretty flimsy. Where's the box now? Ooh. Got about 500 of these things. Actually, 74 of them. Alternate ones. Let's see now. Let's see how this goes.
Well, yeah, it's a lot better when you have a brand new disc there. Yeah, I always vapor rust from the other tank, so just put it back on the bike. Give it a oil. Does it have to be this clean? Probably not. Well, I'm just cleaning it up anyway. I gotta give it a repaint. Looks like it was painted before. I don't do anything, I'll just leave it. Yeah, okay, it's painted black. I'll give it a quick respray. Is it inside too? Not really.
Uh-oh. Well, it's a little better, nice and clean. It's not perfect, but hey. I think it's dead. Oh, done. Maybe half an hour out of it, if I'm lucky, and a whole lot of metal shards. Yeah, shit gets everywhere. So that's a shit ton cleaner. This thing is, hold on. This out of here, put it on the floor. There we go. That was pretty nasty. So that goes on like so. Like so. Goes in there. As far as it goes, it goes further. Does it go further down? I think so. I don't know. Didn't pay attention how far it went. Oh, yeah, maybe it's like that. Yeah, okay. Maybe like that. Yeah. Put this over here and this over here. This sucker back on here like so. That in there. Japanese industrial standard screwdrivers. Apparently they don't use that standard anymore. But hey, I honestly think they do work better on Hondas. So if you don't have a set, they're not that expensive. I think I paid like 20 bucks on eBay or something, or Amazon. One of the two. There we go. This thing even working. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. That little thing's not under there. That's why. The little metal part that slips under the piece of metal is not slipping under it. It's supposed to go underneath it. It's not joining the little thing. Son of a bullets. Like this, so you can actually see what the hell I'm doing. There's a little piece of metal that slides under the, when you tighten it up, and it's not sliding under. It's being a little there. There we go. Now it's sliding under. I'm guessing it's tight enough, I guess. Pretty sure it's not going to come out. But it's a little better. It goes back in the rat's nest. I should just tape this all off and give it a spray. But I'd like to clean the inside out first. It's got a little bit of rust in there. Rust it. I'll clean it out and then just dip it in some oil. Maybe that'll work. But I think my vapor rust bucket's frozen, so that can wait. Anyway, this is a quick wire brush. It was pretty sloppy. Thanks for watching. Toodles.